Looking sick. Look at that.
What's up, guys? Rigs and Gears here. Today we're gonna put on the bags after we do the cleanup, cause we haven't got around to it with Christmas this week. So we're gonna clean our mess up a little bit. Check out the website. We've had a few more visitors on the website. A few people have bought off the website. So join them, help us, so we can keep this build going. If not, it's still gonna get done. Let's get it. bags back on, we had to put this bracket on the back on. We had to put these fancy new brackets on these ones to get the bags all mounted up.
So, I guess these bag brackets are known to break right here, just like this one, even without being in a motorcycle wreck or anything like that. So, I went on eBay and I found these. The guy that's selling them is a veteran. They're pretty nice. They're thick. He says they're nice and sturdy. He's got plenty of reviews. Just make sure you get the right guy on eBay. I guess he has a bunch of Chinese, I don't even know what the word is. Copycats, yeah, without the proper legal stuff to do it, and they're not as sturdy or anything like that. And the right one, he'll tell you that his site on eBay is the correct site, and he'll explain everything that's going on and this, that, and the other. But yeah, anyways, we'll bring out the bags in a little bit after we get all the brackets set up. So yeah, anything? Nothing?
Nope.
Okay. Well, we'll finish this up for you guys. So this is where that new bracket is going to replace. So, yeah. So, I'm going to have to cut off a little bit here, just so that bracket fits and sits right. But anyways, let's get this cut off. So those are all mounted up. Just a quick fit to see how the bags line up and everything, since they are off the newer style. But there's that bracket all set up. I just had to clean it up with the cut right there because it was bent out, not letting that bracket line up completely. But yeah, don't go crazy just yet. We are going to be replacing all of this with new stuff because they are scuffed up and broken, obviously, from the wreck. But yeah, new hardware and everything will come with it, hopefully. If not, we'll buy some. But yeah, and then still need to get work done on the fender. Waiting on that project here. And yeah, go from there. What do we got going on here, Ken?
Oh, this is the new saddlebags we got. They're gonna flow real nice with the rear fender. It has a swoop on it. They're extended. Yeah.
We're just gonna mount it up real quick, make sure they fit with everything, since they are off of the newer bag style bikes.
The fender didn't fit, so we have to make sure these fit before
Yeah,
we finalize everything.
but we'll get them all bracketed up for you. Covered it so nothing falls in the bags for now, because it is a little tight down there in the crevice. But anyways, let's get these mounted up real quick. So, got this bag all mounted up. Just a quick mount up, make sure the bag fits. It clears the shock decently. Kind of hoping it sat a little bit lower, but it does cover up the wheel pretty good. The only issue that we do see is in here. Might have to modify the side cover a little bit, but those will be fiberglass, so that shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, we'll get some lids ordered for you guys. Obviously, not quite sure what we're gonna do there. There's always the option of the one touch, to where they open like that, or just the regular open and then fold back like these over here. But yeah, I don't think we're going to mount up the other side. Pretty much got an idea of what we need. Might have to build our own bag brackets for here and in the back here, just because, get a better fit, just so things are stressed more one way or the other. But yeah, we've actually got nothing more for today. We're gonna clean up the bench behind Kanan there. We do have a tank coming. That'll be here Thursday, so make sure you guys tune in Friday for that. Saturday, whenever we get the video out next week. Alright guys, as you see, we're done here. Obviously, as I talked to you just a second ago. Brain fart. Oh, mounting brackets, side covers. Tune in next week for the tank, like I said. Let's see, parts list over here. Do we have bags? Oh, look at that. Man, 3 weeks in a row we can mark something off. But, of course, tank is coming next week. That's going to be pretty cool. It's actually a really sick tank. And it's not the lame put over your stock tank fairings or whatever, covers or whatever you want to call it. It's actually a full steel tank to fully replace the one before, because it was ugly anyways. Need to be able to hold all 6 gallons of fuel, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, that's pretty much it for this week, guys. Probably going to be a short video again. Hopefully when we start getting a little deeper into it, doing more technical stuff, we get some longer videos in for you guys. Kana's dirt bike's going to be coming up here real soon. It's pretty much down to the frame, so if you guys want to tune in for that, we'll make sure we got that all squared away for you guys to watch. Of course, if Kana wants to video it, do you? Yeah? Okay. I mean, want to give you guys content. And then tomorrow, we're going out to pick up a chicken coop. So we'll video the travels for that and then get you guys a little video of the chicken coop, because I'm getting chickens, because chickens are dope. I love animals, if you were wondering. But anyways, we'll have to show you guys the goats too. Kana got some goats. Dopest things on the planet right now, other than our bike, obviously. But yeah, website will be down in the description area for you to click on. I'll make sure to put all the other video links down there too. Instagram's always down there. I'll try to find the link for the eBay store that has the replacement tabs, so you don't have to replace the whole bag bracket if you don't want to. They're between 20 and 40 bucks, nothing crazy. Tank next week. Check out the website. Like, subscribe, follow, comment. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, your thoughts, what you would like to see, what you think is coming. Get a little interactive. It's a lot more fun when you're interactive. Make sure you share to your friends so we can get more builds coming and sell some stuff. Make sure we can keep this build going. I mean, if we don't get the sales, it's just going to take a little bit longer. So if you want to see it start jumping, getting a few more videos out, make sure you hit up the website, purchase our hoodies, our t-shirts, stickers. We're working on getting hoodies and sweatpants, or beanies and sweatpants too. We're working on hats. We're working on getting red, blue, like the red ones we have worn in past videos, blue ones, green and purple hoodies and t-shirts as well. And kind of playing around with everything else. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.
There's the black one.